Hello, the Phoenix Wolf here. Today, I'm going to show you how I created my intros. I've had a couple of comments saying they need intros and asking how I did it. So today I'm going to show you kind of how I did it. So first thing we do, as you can see, I have my intro right here and a couple of pictures. Um, as the title says, it's cool text. So um, what we need to do is go to cooltext.com. And this is where how I created the wording. Um, and since I'm going to do it kind of in my for my Tekkit series and my new Tekkit thing I'm doing, you'll see that soon. I'm going to go ahead and try to find one that kind of fits with that. The one I did have is, let me see, yes, I did do the Nova. That's what's on the other ones. But let's see if we can find one that's kind of more techish. Let's see. And as you can see, there's a lot of them. Let's see. Not really seeing any too technical. And there's a lot of different ones here that you can use. There's kind of that one maybe. Not really seeing much, so I think we'll go ahead and do a circuit. So, and then it comes to this page after you choose your style that you want to do. Um, and let's go, since, let's see, Phoenix Wolf Adventures is what it's called. So, Phoenix Wolf Adventures. And as you can see, it kind of updates as you go, so you can kind of see what you're actually doing and what it's going to look like. Um, and I can adjust it. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Must have hit the button. I knew it looked different. Okay, and we'll add another line down here saying Tekkit. It doesn't, there we go. Let's get it updated so we can get a look at it. And now if you want it bigger, all you have to do is add stuff in front of it. Add spaces, add different lines, add different lines behind it. Um, you can increase the font. I don't think it's going to show up on here that well. Um, Now the particle color, since we're kind of going with a red theme, for red and black, I'm going to go ahead and make it bright red on here. It should show up. In the background, we're going to do another red, but we're going to do more of the dark red. So it's more almost black, as you can see. And then what we can do is, I like to do it as a JPEG, just because it's easier to work with in all programs. Then to check it for the final look of your logo, you can look right here. And if it's not what you want, go ahead and hit back. And you can do it this way and adjust it. I mean, you're going to have to more likely readjust all this. Which is pretty easy. I don't really like this one. Let's just see what it comes up as this time. Yeah, I'm not really feeling this one that much, but I'm going to go ahead and throw that out there, throw that out there. And you just have to play around with the different things here, just because. Okay, why did it do that? That's render logo. Yeah, see, it totally cut off that. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and go back to this and stick with one that I know, so we can get a kind of a good one shot going, so I can move on to show you exactly how I go to add music and add all that into it. Let's do black hole, or we could do need one with a background. Oh, and I also can show you, since that's Nova, we'll do Klingon. What you can actually do too is go into here for the fonts, and you can look at what font you can use. So this would probably be another way to get what exactly you need for your thing. So we'll go to T for Tekkit, or Technic. There's Technique, Techno, Classic. Let's see. We'll go ahead and go back up and see if we can't find Maybe a mechanical. I'm not sure. This one would be probably good. Let's use this one. And we'll do a couple spaces, the Phoenix Wolf. Actually, we probably don't need those spaces, at least not all of them. Probably do that. Go adventures. There we go. And as you can see there, what we'll do is hit a couple on the next line, do this, tech it. I seem to like the ones with the background like this. They seem to work a lot better as far as spacing and getting a good background going so it's good size for what you need. So that's my recommendation if you want something like this. I'm going to make the font size of Tekkit a little bit bigger, maybe. Unless it's going to change everything. Yep, it's going to change everything. But that works. So let's go down 1 to 75. I'm going to add 2 more spaces above. Get a good space right there. Maybe -1, but I want to do 4 down below. And as you can see, it gives us a good view of this. I'm actually going to move the Tekkit down 1. See what it gives us. Okay. The Tekkit looks pretty good. Oh, come on. Okay, so Tekkit's not quite where we want it. I'm gonna, as you can see, you can also do this to kind of adjust what you need. Okay, come on. It's not working with me today. There we go. I'm going to increase the font to 90, see where that takes us. Might be a little too big. Oh yeah, that's a little big. Maybe not. Might have to shrink this in. Actually, I like that. Okay. And again, the glow is going to be the red. Or maybe we can change that. Let's see, what color should we do? Let's go like I'd done on the other series. Do more of a green. A little bit lighter green. There we go. Let's see what color that gives us up here. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, and now what we do is go ahead and render logo, and as you can see, this will bring it up. And what I'm going to do now is download this image. I'm just going to go to, okay, downloads. I'm going to go ahead and close this. Got our downloads right here. I'm going to pull this out onto my desktop. And I'm going to go, what I use is iMovie to do my editing. I haven't got any other program to do editing. I do plan on getting something in the future. And as you see, when it comes up here, maybe it'll come up with the last episode I uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Come on, delete. There we go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start a new project. We'll do another TechHit intro 2, since we already have one named TechHit intro. Go ahead and do create. And what we need to do now is go ahead and drag what we have in here. Now I have my starting one, so I have my Phoenix Wolf Presents. And we can go ahead and close that one. And then our new one. Oh, that's Phoenix Wolf Gaming. We do not need that one. That's my desktop. Where did it go? There it is. We have our new cool text thing, Phoenix Wolf Adventures. And then what we need to do here is when we click on it, we do the crop one, we do the fit, so it doesn't do the zoom in. And then we need to add our little transitions. I usually add them all. Oops. And then I do the apply to all command. As you can see here, it applies to all transitions. I usually try to do it for 1 second each. It seems to do it, and as you can see, we can let it go real quick. And these are going a little fast, so what we need to do is increase the slides, and I'll do all stills. Let's go 4.5, should be fine. And as you can see, I'm also looking at down here to get it around 10 to 12 seconds, just because that's a good intro. You don't want it too long. At least I feel you don't want it too long. You want to keep the person's attention. And it's just kind of a quick intro, just tell them what they're watching. Let's go ahead and lower it to 4 seconds. And okay. We will go ahead and then here comes the fun part. We get to look at music. how I like to do it on here, if you're using this, I'll go ahead and increase this, is I go into the jingles. It has all the better music in there. And I go ahead and move it so it's organized by the length of the selection. So let's see, we have 11 seconds total. So we'll go down to 10, 11 seconds, see what they have for 11 seconds. You can preview it. No, not that. No. It's kind of upbeat, but we don't want that. What do I have selected for the other TechIt video? I think I have something up here. Is it this one? Yes, this is the one I have. So this is going to be a 10-second intro or song, and what you do is just click and hold, drag it up here, and we have it. Then I like to kind of try to adjust the sound, so I go here to audio, and since it is up and my voice is kind of goes down a little bit, I am going to go ahead and throw it like this, about 76%. That way it's a little bit quieter when it plays. And then it fades into the episode. So that is how I create mine, and then all I do here is go ahead and take this and go to share, and then I export the movie to my desktop, and then from there I can always drag it into here into iMovie or import it in here, and I can use it. So let's go ahead and export movie to desktop, TechIt Intro 2. I like to do the HD. Unfortunately, Apple TV and iPods can't watch it, but the iPhone, iPad, and computers can. I like to stay away from the HD 1080 because then only computers can look at it, and I like the fact that you can look at it on the iPad or iPhone wherever you're at. The ideal one is medium, but that kind of poor quality sometimes. So depending on what you do, if you have a poor quality recorder, if it doesn't record the high quality, then go ahead and do the medium. Then it lets everybody watch it. But then again, some iPods don't have the internet connection, so iPod Touches, which do, they actually are considered iPhones or the same category, so large would be okay. So I'm just going to do export. Since it's such a short one, it should be really quick. But that's it, and I'm going to end the movie by showing you the completed project as the full screen on here on the YouTube, so it looks just like you would see it on YouTube. You can also go in here and hit one of these two buttons over here to show it up, but it doesn't give the full screen. It does show kind of what it looks like. So that looks like it got exported okay. And I'm going to finish with this. And thank you for watching. Let me know if you want me to show you how to do anything else, and I'll try to do it, or let me know what you like, what you think. Bye.